Hey guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the MYQ Connectivity Kit manufactured by Merlin Garage Door Openers. The Merlin Connectivity Kit comes with the M828AU hub, as well as the 774 ANZ protector safety beams. The protector safety beams are required to be installed on your garage door opener in order for the smartphone functionality to be enabled. The MYQ Connectivity Kit can be connected up to 5 different MYQ Merlin garage door openers. However, each opener needs to have a set of PE beams installed in order for it to work. The major advantage of the Merlin Connectivity Kit is that you can operate your garage door away from home, meaning if you've forgotten to close your garage door, no worries, you can just pull up your phone and close it while away from home. The MYQ Kit comes with a full 12-month warranty which covers it due to failure from manufacturer fault. To see a full list of compatible garage door openers that the kit can be installed on, head on over to our website. We list all of the compatible Merlin MYQ motors in our listing description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all on the MYQ kit, head on over to our website. You can send us an email or give us a call. See you next video.